In this video, let's talk about do Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers need to be centric? Let's talk about it.
Mostly, Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers will push the wheels and tires out. Keeping your Mitsubishi Pajero wheel centric not only ensures your drive in a straight line when you are on the road, but it also protects the overall well-being of your Pajero. So, your Mitsubishi Pajero spacer need to be centric correctly. This is important because poor alignment can cause your tires to wear irregularly and can negatively affect the overall handling. If you take your vehicle off-roading on a frequent basis, you may need to check if the Mitsubishi Pajero spacers are centric. Normally, your Pajero spacers won't be off-centric if you torque them properly, and quality Hub-Centric Pajero spacers will fill any possible gap between the wheels and the hubs. This reduces the chance of vibration. If you enjoy off-roading, it is important to get a set of precise Hub-Centric Mitsubishi Pajero spacers. To provide a perfect fitment, BONOSS makes adjustments to the Mitsubishi Pajero spacers according to the actual vehicle hub design. They are designed with better multi-stage Hub-Centric lips. The Hub-Centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the bell will fit the corresponding hub flange, which eliminates any possible gaps. Additionally, the precision of BONOSS Mitsubishi Pajero spacers has reached 0.02 mm. Precise Hub-Centric wheel spacers provide high surface integrity and effectively guarantee safety. Aluminum wheel spacers are a good idea for most 4x4 off-roading needs. BONOSS Mitsubishi Pajero spacers are made of forged 6061T6 or 7075T6 aluminum alloys. They are strong enough to resist bending and breaking. By subjecting the material to tremendous structures, the forging process eliminates internal voids, thereby providing better structural integrity. In simple words, BONOSS forged Mitsubishi Pajero spacers are far safer and more reliable than other cheap alternatives. They undergo a series of safety tests before leaving the factory.
Hope this video can help you. If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.